Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.